The pandemic has changed many of our habits when it comes to trying to stay healthy, from wearing masks to social distancing. But what should we be doing to help our mental health? Here with more on the impact the past year has had on your brain and what we can do to fix it, our husband and wife duo, Dr. Dean Sherzai and Dr. Aisha Sherzai, author of the 30-Day Alzheimer's Solution book. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good
Thank you
morning.
for having us.
Of course. All right. So what tips do you have for people who are feeling burnt out from the pandemic?
So stress has a tremendous effect on the brain, and we need to implement some changes quickly. But we have some significant control over this. There's a concept called Neuro that we've created, Neuro, nutrition, exercise, stress management, and restorative sleep and optimizing mental activity. Those aspects can significantly reduce stress and actually change stress into good brain building elements, starting with nutrition.
So starting with nutrition, what are some of the lifestyle changes that people can make so that we can have better brain health?
We say add as much vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds as you can. Foods that come from plants have an amazing combination of macro and micronutrients. And if you eat more plant predominant diet, you actually give your brain the right kind of an environment for it to heal itself, for it to grow and thrive.
What about some of those foods that we should avoid?
Yeah, some of the foods that we should all avoid are processed foods, foods that are very high in processed sugar and salt and poor quality fats like saturated fats. If we cut them down, then we can definitely move from a damage control mode to a thrive mode.
What are some easy to follow lifestyle tips that you provide in your book that can help people just in general live a better lifestyle? Because I think for a lot of us, we feel burnt out, but maybe we don't necessarily know exactly why we're feeling all those things. We just know in general, maybe it's work, maybe it's stress going on in your personal life. But what are some of those solutions for the long term?
Yeah. One of the things that we have found that affects across the board all the elements, sleep, stress, as well as metabolism, is an early morning brisk walk. Early morning brisk walk affects multiple factors. It resets your circadian clock, so your night's sleep, the next night's sleep is affected positively. It affects stress profoundly. Exercise seems to be significantly more effective than any drug on anxiety and depression. An early morning walk also affects your metabolism and gets the blood moving to your brain, which affects your hormonal systems. Across the board, a morning walk, early walk, seems to be the most effective thing to affect all the 5 elements that we talk about.
Really helpful tips. To learn more about the 30-Day Alzheimer's Solution book, visit teamsherzai.com. Thank you both for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, 7:54.